Good afternoon, sir. Today we'll be explaining types of operators. So number one, we start with the number equals to 15. First, we add 10, so the value becomes 25. Next, we divide 25 by 5, which gives us 5.
So the last statement is number, which increase the value by 1. So 5 becomes 6. Therefore, the final value of number is 6.
Thank you. So, number two, we begin with the number equals to 5. Adding 5 gives us 10, then dividing 5 results in 2, and multiplying by 10 gives us 20.
Oh. Next, we compute 20 divided by 20 minus 10, which is 20 divided by 20, giving us 2. Final. We add 3, so the final value of number is 5.
Yes, thank you. Lastly, number 3. We start with number 1 equals 5 and num2 equals 10. We assign num1 and the value of num2 minus 5. So num1 becomes 5, then we multiply num1 by num2, resulting in 50.
Okay, thank you. Next, we divide by 50 by 10, which give us 5 and square it to get 25. Number 2 become 35 after adding number 1. The question asks for number 1, so the final answer is 25.
That's all, sir. Thank you for watching.